Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford F-150 engine stalling issue and the possible causes behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Engine stalling in the Ford F-150 is commonly described as the engine shutting off unexpectedly while idling, slowing down, stopping at traffic lights, or occasionally while driving at low speeds. Verified owner reports and service information show that stalling concerns have been reported across multiple Ford F-150 model years and generations, with causes varying based on engine type, fuel system design, electronic controls, and maintenance history. One verified and frequently reported cause involves fuel delivery issues. Problems such as restricted fuel flow, failing fuel pumps, or clogged fuel filters can reduce fuel supply to the engine, leading to stalling, especially under load or during low-speed operation. Another confirmed cause relates to airflow management components. Faults involving the throttle body, idle air control operation in applicable engines, or airflow sensors can disrupt proper idle speed control, causing the engine to stall when coming to a stop. Ignition system-related issues have also been documented. Worn spark plugs, failing ignition coils, or inconsistent ignition timing can cause combustion instability, resulting in stalling under certain conditions. Sensor-related problems are another verified factor. Malfunctioning sensors that monitor engine speed, airflow, or temperature may send inaccurate data to the engine control system, causing incorrect fuel or ignition adjustments that lead to stalling. Electrical and wiring-related concerns have also been reported. Loose connections, poor grounding, or voltage drops can interrupt engine management systems, especially during idle or low RPM operation. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include software-related control behavior, vacuum leaks, or emission system irregularities. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include scanning for diagnostic trouble codes, inspecting fuel and ignition components, cleaning or servicing airflow-related parts, checking electrical connections, and applying software updates when applicable. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford F-150 engine stalling complaints are resolved through maintenance, sensor replacement, or fuel system repairs rather than major engine overhaul. However, experiences vary by model year, engine configuration, and driving conditions. In conclusion, Ford F-150 engine stalling is typically linked to fuel delivery problems, airflow control issues, ignition system faults, or electrical interruptions. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.